Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WooCommerce payment methods with Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. To restore WooCommerce payment methods with Stripe, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view your current plugins. Search for the Stripe plugin in the list. If the Stripe plugin is inactive, click the Activate button. If the plugin is missing, go to the Add New section in Plugins. Search for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. Next, navigate to WooCommerce in the dashboard. Select Settings and then click on the Payments tab. You will see a list of available payment methods. Find Stripe in the list and toggle the Enable option to activate it. Click on the Manage link next to the Stripe option. Ensure that all necessary fields are filled out, including API keys. To retrieve your API keys, go to your Stripe account. Log into Stripe and navigate to the Developers section. Select API keys from the left-hand menu. Copy the publishable key and secret key back to your WooCommerce settings. Save the changes in your WooCommerce settings. Next, check your payment methods to ensure they are enabled. If you need to customize settings like payment request buttons, adjust them as needed. Now, test the payment process by placing a dummy order. Go to your storefront and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select Stripe as the payment method. Complete the transaction to confirm everything is working smoothly. If any issues arise, check your error logs for troubleshooting. Once confirmed, your WooCommerce store should be ready to accept payments via Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.